AI particularly is a little tricky because it's so misunderstood. It's a bit broad.
First, there are a lot of confusion about what AI is and what AI is not.
There's a lot of bad press AI sometimes gets. AI is not here to replace humans. I think AI is here to enhance the human life. I think AI and humans working together, that's the real potential.
How will our lives really change? From a technology perspective, I'm very excited about optimizing some of the things that as a human race we know we need to do better at.
At a certain point in time, I think it's somewhere around 2022, we'll actually beat the number of humans that exist by the devices that are deployed. So 8 to 10 billion devices that are deployed, all smart, all connected, all generating a whole bunch of sensed information data. Now you can combine IoT, AI, even the world of blockchain that kind of secures this information somehow. It's like a new internet that is automatically computing what needs to happen instead of you actually going in and making a decision.
For example, if you use Google Maps or Waze in terms of routing application, it is AI. We classify it as narrow AI. Alexa and Siri, they are AI, but those are more like wider AI. When people express their fear about AI, they're usually talking about super AI, and this is when the machine becoming smarter than the humans themselves.
Now, we are far away from super intelligence and where singularity may come and where it may lead us, but some of those elements of those have started coming in. The three key areas where we see new innovation coming out. One, we call it human computation, and we call it human computation 2.0 because we've tried that in the past. Secondly, it's no surprise. I think what we do with voice and video and speech, that is actually entering the next stage. Finally, autonomous everything.
Well, all these things have been sorted out for you. Now your brain doesn't focus on calculating on a day-to-day basis. It's all happening by default. What do you now do next? Does that mean that we become more creative? Does that mean that we think beyond the worldly affairs that we've been thinking about? So in some way, it's also a little bit philosophical as to where do you go next from here if you achieve some level of artificial intelligence.